actually begin trading, first of all, it's very important that you do a lot of practice in a simulated environment, but it's as important, if not more important, that you decide on an amount that you're willing to invest in trading, the maximum sum you're prepared to lose to understand and learn how to trade. And once you've decided on that financial limit, that you do not break that limit. Otherwise, in the future, you will regret that. Again, as I was just saying, before you trade real money, ensure you practice in a simulated environment to hone your skills, develop your trading plan, understand about the technicals, the fundamentals. So really sort of practice. Don't put yourself under a specific time limit of how long it's going to take you to do that. It will take as long as it takes, and it's important that you get comfortable before you start investing real money into trading.